In this video, we will make Magic Wi-Fi motor controller board. We will control all DC motors. We make robot and we learn how to use Wi-Fi motor controller board with Python and Raspberry Pi. Let's go in on Mac. We designed this board on Eagle. Design process was easy for me, but the PCB prototype process is not easy for everybody. So I worked with PCB. PCB is the easy way to prototype PCBs. You can produce the best quality PCBs on the PCB by clicking the link on the description. And finally, I would like to thank PCB for the PCB production. We can program the board by shorting the B0 pins and with USB serial converter. I have two sample codes that upload to GitHub. One of them is serial control and other is WebSocket control. We need to download the libraries for the programming board. You can examine and run the Python sample for WebSocket control. Among the files on GitHub there is an .x version of this Python project. Okay, now we are ready to make robots. To run our Python code with Raspberry Pi, we open the Tony Python IDE. Before running the code, do not forget to activate the command lines created for Linux in the code. Thanks for watching. You can click on the links in the description to access all the files about the project. We finished the video with control of other DC motors. Take care of yourself.